Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Shanely767. What's popping? Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. Today's video is an inspired makeup tutorial featuring Nicki Minaj and YoungBoy video that they released called What's the Speed About. Now, this look that I did, the eyeshadow is yellow, and when I do a side-by-side comparison, I realized that Nicki Minaj have a lime green eyeshadow. But I do a whole video about this look, and I didn't want to put the video in waste, so I decided to go ahead and upload this video. Now this look is super easy. It's just basically one eyeshadow, heavy winged out eye, and that's it. So if you're interested in this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for What's Popping with Shanely767. Eyeshadow palette we'll be using today is from POSH CULTUR. I did a whole video about this eyeshadow palette, so take a look on my time card. It will take you direct to the video. And the eyeshadow I placed all over my lid is Sand Beach. Now the other eyeshadow palettes I'm going to use also from POSH CULTUR is Color Me 90 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this yellow eyeshadow called Bomb Biggie D. I love the name, and this is the eyeshadow I'm going to apply all over my lid, and that's the only eyeshadow I'm going to be using today. Now the gel liner we're going to use today is from Maybelline. I just bought this gel liner because I'm a person, I go for a lot of gel liner and liquid eyeliner. No matter what color, or if it's just a plain color, I just love that foxy cat eye winged. And then the look that she wear in this video is heavy winged out eyeliner, and that's the look we are going to do today. Now the lashes we are going to use today is from Amazon, and I love these lashes. It looks so dramatic from the pack, but once you apply it, it's just full and fluffy, and that's what I like about lashes. Every time I put it on, I just want it to be full and fluffy, not length but full and fluffy. And as you can see, I really love these lashes a lot, so it might be my everyday lashes. Now you're gonna see me go over my winged out eyeliner and over my lashes, because once again I keep saying I really love foxy cat eye look, and it have to be jet black. Now the concealer we're going to use today is from JUVIASPLACE, number 13 and number 8. Number 13 is what I'm going to use underneath my eye, nose, cupid's bow, chin and forehead area. And then number 8 is what I'm going to contour with. Now I haven't been using JUVIASPLACE for a hot minute, but I'm very excited to bring it out for this video, because Nicki Minaj, every time you look at her in, let's say, in a music video, pictures, or just personally, you really see that bright effect underneath her eye, and that's the look we're going for today. Now lately I starting to blend my contour area and leave my concealer underneath my eye to blend out last, because you want your concealer to set so it will give you that flawless finish. And trust me, it do works. Try it. Try blending your contour area first and then make your concealer set and then blend it out, and you're gonna see a perfect flawless finish. Try it and let me know in the comment down below. Now the setting powder we're going to use today is from Maybelline finishing powder. It's the number 30 medium deep, and I just finished do a video about this setting powder, my first impression and reviews and thought about this setting powder. I mean, look at it, look at how flawless that making underneath my eye look, and it's not giving you a yellow tone. It's like a little like pale undertone, but it matches skin tone very nicely. Once again, I stick to what I know and what I review about this product. I highly recommend it. The blush we're going to use today is from JUVIASPLACE. It's called Bella. I haven't used this blush also in a hot minute, but it was perfect because the blush that Nicki Minaj have in her music video is similar to the blush that I have from JUVIASPLACE. So that's the blush we're going to use today. Liner we're going to use today is from the NYX in SPL 860, and it's called PEEAKBOO Natural. What I love about this lip liner, if you look at it, it looks like a bright pink lip liner, but once you apply it, it gives you that soft natural pink effect. So that's why I think where the name come about, PEEAKBOO Natural. Now the lip gloss we're going to use today is locally made from Dominica, whoop whoop, called Deep Within Me, and the name is Mia MIA. I really love this lip gloss. It's very hydrating and goes on very smoothly, and it smells really nice. Reviews about this lip gloss is coming up very soon, so take a look. Now I'm going with that same eyeshadow that I apply over my lid called Bomb Biggity, and it's gonna apply it underneath my eye, and also I'm taking that Fresh Prince from also the palette and apply underneath my eye as well. That's it. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for What's Popping with Chanelly767. Mwah! Peace and love always, my beautiful people. Until next time. Bye.